Soup ordered by Liakat sir. No? So this cake is for you. Not only for my daughters, for me also.
Yeah.
Ah, my God. Is it yummy? Sweet?
It's really yummy.
Can you say yummy? মিষ্টি হইলেও yummy বলা যাবে?
It's sweet.
Of course. যে কোনো খাবার মজা মিষ্টি হোক ঝাল হোক টক হোক যদি ভালো লাগে yummy বলবেন. So, okay.
You can try it.
So this cake is for you. Okay, dear viewers. Not only for my daughters, for me also.
Yeah.
Anyway, so what is it? It's a cake, no?
Yeah, brownie. It's
Brownie?
a brownie.
It's a brand.
No.
What do you mean by brownie? I say it's a cake.
It's like I really don't know many about brownie. It's like a cake, and I can see like there is some
Dear viewers, you
chocolate
can see
spread.
some other items.
It's wings,
What is
chicken
this?
wings.
Chicken wings ordered by Tafida and Rafida.
Yeah.
Are you
No,
happy?
only me. Rafida didn't help me.
Really? Okay. So dear viewers, আপনারা যাদের বাচ্চারা ইংলিশ শিখতে চান বা নিজেরা শিখতে চান এরকম যখন যা পান সেগুলো ইংলিশে বলার চেষ্টা করবেন। Soup ordered by Liakat sir. No? What is this? Thai soup. I like Thai soup very much.
Okay, so bye bye.
It's hot.
I want.
I don't like sour. I don't like sour. আমি টক পছন্দ করি না. Why have you given the order sour?
Because you told you wanna eat Thai.
I like Thai soup, but I don't like sour. আমি টক পছন্দ করি না. I don't like sour.
But
I like sweet.
then you can eat the cake and I can eat the Thai.
ঝাল ইংলিশ কি জানো?
Spicy.
Yes. I like spicy, sweet, okay, but I don't like sour.